Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can activate your T-Mobile eSIM. So first of all, you need to start by connecting your phone to the Wi-Fi network, and then you just have to simply download the T-Life application. Then you need to sign in here inside it with the help of your T-Mobile ID and select the line that you want to activate if you have multiple lines on your account. So after doing so, what you need to do next is to simply just choose the option of activate eSIM, and then the app is going to verify your account and automatically download the T-Mobile eSIM profile on your phone. On some of the devices, you may also need to be basically redirected on the phone's settings in order to basically scan the QR code or approve for the installation. So after the download is completed, you just have to keep your phone powered on for a few minutes while it registers on the T-Mobile network. If you are moving your number from another phone, your old device will lose the service once the transfer is finished. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.